Hey everyone, and welcome to SpeakAnglo. If this is your first time here, welcome. You're in the right place.
Seriously, welcome! And before we jump in, quick reminder, if you want to improve your English just by listening, make sure you subscribe and stay with us.
This is actually our very first video, so we're starting simple and practical.
Yeah, no pressure, no complicated grammar, just real English you can actually use.
English learning is going to be fun, natural, and simple. A lot of people struggle with English, but it really doesn't need to be hard.
The goal here is easy. You listen, you repeat, and slowly it starts to feel natural.
Just listen, repeat, and it sticks.
All right, let's get started. 1. Could you please repeat that?
Okay, first phrase, and honestly, one of the most important.
Yeah, because this happens to everyone. Someone speaks fast, there's noise, you miss the sentence.
Instead of feeling awkward, you can calmly say, "Could you please repeat that?"
Listen to how natural that sounds. Could you please repeat that?
Now, don't rush. Say it with us, like you're really talking to someone. Perfect. That already sounds polite and confident.
2. Can you help me, please?
This one is simple but powerful.
You can use it anywhere. Stores, airports, school, work, everywhere.
Imagine you're in a shop and you can't find something. You say, "Can you help me, please?"
Let's say it together, nice and easy. Can you help me, please?
Great. No stress. That's real English.
3. I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, this one is really important, especially if you're a beginner.
Yeah, and let's say this clearly. Not understanding is normal.
Imagine someone explains something to you, maybe directions, maybe instructions, and your brain just goes blank.
Instead of smiling and pretending, please don't do that. You can calmly say, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Listen to how gentle that sounds. It's polite, it's honest.
And people usually react well to it. They slow down, they rephrase.
All right, say it with me. No rush. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Nice. And you can even add a little pause in real life. It makes it sound natural.
Nice to meet you.
All right, this next one is super common, and honestly, it's one of the first phrases people notice when you speak English.
Yeah, because it usually happens in the first few seconds of meeting someone.
Picture this. Someone smiles, tells you their name.
You shake hands, maybe nod a little, and you say, nice to meet you.
It doesn't need to be loud, it doesn't need to be perfect.
Just relaxed, friendly.
And here's a little tip. Native speakers often say it quickly, like, nice to meet you.
But for now, say it clearly with us. Nice to meet you.
That sounded great.
And after that, the conversation usually feels easier. This phrase breaks the ice.
Number 5, thank you and you're welcome.
These two phrases are everywhere.
You'll hear them every single day.
Someone helps you, someone waits for you, someone explains something.
Your response is thank you.
And the other person almost always says, you're welcome.
Let's make this feel like real life for a second. Okay, ready?
Let's pretend I'm giving something to Kendall. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it, really simple.
And here's something important. Your tone matters more than speed.
Even a slow thank you sounds polite.
Let's say them one more time, calmly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect. That already sounds like real conversation.
6. Excuse me.
All right, this next phrase is small but powerful.
Yeah, excuse me does a lot of work in English.
You use it when you want to be polite,
Or when you need someone's attention.
or even when something awkward happens.
Imagine you're walking through a store and someone's blocking the aisle.
You don't say anything aggressive. You just smile a little and say, "Excuse me." Or maybe you're in a cafe and the barista didn't hear you. You lean in slightly and say, "Excuse me." Same words, different situations.
And here's the good news. You don't need to explain yourself after. Excuse me already sounds polite.
Let's say it once more naturally. Excuse me. That's exactly how native speakers use it.
7. I need your help.
Okay, this next one is simple but polite.
You'll hear it at work, school, or even home.
Imagine your computer stops working or you can't open something. You go to someone nearby and say, I need your help. Notice how calm that sounds? You're asking politely.
People respond better when it's friendly.
Let's say it together, slowly and clearly. I need your help. That's already sounding confident.
8. Can you explain that?
This phrase helps you understand better when someone talks fast.
Or uses words you don't know.
Instead of staying quiet, say, can you explain that? It's polite and shows interest.
You can use it with teachers, colleagues, or friends.
Let's repeat together. Can you explain that? Perfect. Clear and calm.
9. Thanks for your help.
After someone helps you, instead of long phrases, just say, thanks for your help.
It's polite, clear, and sounds friendly.
You might hear this at work, school, or with friends.
Let's repeat slowly. Thanks for your help.
Awesome. Number 10. Could you speak slower?
Many people understand English but struggle with speed.
Native speakers talk fast sometimes.
Instead of panicking, politely say, could you speak slower?
Use it at work, school, or anywhere.
Let's repeat together. Could you speak slower?
Good. That sounds natural. Number 11. May I say something?
If someone is talking and you want to speak, politely ask, may I say something?
This shows respect and keeps the conversation smooth.
Use it in meetings, classes, or any conversation.
Let's say it clearly. May I say something? Perfect. Sounds very natural. Number 12. I'd prefer to meet in the morning.
This phrase helps you talk about what you want. In English, it's very normal to express preferences politely.
You don't need to sound strong or demanding.
This phrase sounds calm and respectful.
Imagine someone asks you about a meeting time.
They say, is afternoon okay?
You think for a moment and then you say, I'd prefer to meet in the morning.
This phrase is useful at work, in school, or even with friends.
It tells the other person what works best for you.
And notice the tone. It's soft. You're not saying no, you are saying what you prefer.
Let's say it together, slowly and clearly. I'd prefer to meet in the morning.
Very good. That sounds natural.
Native speakers use this phrase often when planning schedules. Number 13. Could we reschedule our appointment?
This phrase is very practical.
Plans change, life happens.
And English gives you polite ways to handle that.
Imagine you already have an appointment.
But something unexpected comes up.
Instead of canceling suddenly, you can say, could we reschedule our appointment?
This sounds respectful and professional.
You might use it with a doctor, a teacher, or a colleague.
Often, people will then ask for a new time.
And the conversation continues smoothly.
Let's say the phrase again, calmly.
Could we reschedule our appointment?
That sounds clear and polite.
Remember, English is not about being perfect.
It's about being understood.
Number 14. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
This phrase is used when something causes a problem for someone else.
Maybe there is a delay.
Maybe something did not go as planned.
In English, it's polite to acknowledge that.
Imagine you are late for a meeting.
You arrive, take a breath, and you say, I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
This phrase sounds professional.
You might hear it at work, in emails, or in customer service.
It shows responsibility. You are saying, I understand this affected you.
Let's say it again, slowly and clearly. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Very good. Even if your English is simple, this phrase sounds confident.
Number 15. Please accept my apologies.
This phrase is stronger and more caring. You use it when the situation feels more serious.
Maybe there was a misunderstanding.
Or maybe someone felt upset.
This phrase shows honesty and care.
Imagine you made a mistake at work. You want to fix it and show respect.
You say, please accept my apologies.
This phrase is often used in formal conversations. You may hear it in letters, emails, or important discussions.
Let's say it once more, calmly. Please accept my apologies.
That sounds very natural.
Remember, apologizing is not about weakness.
It's about communication.
Number 16. Can you send me the report?
This phrase is very common in everyday work situations. You use it when you need information from someone.
It sounds direct, but still polite.
Imagine you are working on something and you need a document. You don't need to explain everything.
You can simply say, "Can you send me the report?"
This phrase is often used in emails, messages, or face-to-face. You might hear it at work or school.
The word can makes it polite.
Let's say it again, slowly. Can you send me the report?
Very good. If you are still with us, you are doing excellent.
Number 17. Would you mind helping me with this?
This phrase is one of the most polite ways to ask for help.
It sounds friendly and respectful.
Imagine you are struggling with something.
Maybe a task feels confusing.
You turn to someone nearby and say, "Would you mind helping me with this?" This phrase shows consideration.
You are giving the other person space to respond.
That's why native speakers like this phrase.
Let's say it again, calmly. Would you mind helping me with this?
That sounds very natural. Even if your accent is strong, this phrase still works.
Number 18. You did a fantastic job.
This one is great for giving compliments.
Definitely. Like when a friend finishes a tricky assignment or someone at work does something well.
You just say, "You did a fantastic job."
Try saying it slowly with me. You did a fantastic job.
See? It's simple, but really makes someone feel appreciated.
And the best part? Compliments like this encourage people and make conversations positive.
Number 19. You're very creative.
This is perfect if you want to recognize someone's talents or ideas.
Yeah, like if a friend paints something amazing or comes up with a clever idea at work.
You could say, "You're very creative."
Let's try together. Repeat after me. You're very creative.
It's subtle, but really shows you notice effort and thought, not just results.
Exactly. People love being seen and appreciated. It helps build friendships too.
Number 20. Can I help you with something?
And finally, this phrase is all about offering help.
Yeah, it's kind, polite, and shows that you care. Like seeing a friend struggling with groceries or a coworker stuck on a task.
You can say, "Can I help you with something?"
Slow and clear. Repeat after me. Can I help you with something?
Nice! And you can swap something with specifics too. Like, "Can I help you with your homework?"
Perfect. Small phrases like this make your English sound natural and friendly.
Wow, we've covered 20 super useful phrases today. That's a solid start to speaking real English confidently.
Exactly. Practice these daily and they'll become second nature. Which one are you trying first?
Drop it in the comments below. We read every one. And subscribe. There's tons of fun lessons and phrases coming your way. You won't want to miss them.
Hit like if this helped and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for joining Speak Anglo. See you next time. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep it simple.
Goodbye.
Bye.